What's up, YouTube followers? This is Marcel. Today I'm going to talk about motivation, meditation, and inspiration. Motivation. So if we push ourselves, we can become the best us. If we work hard at it, we'll become what we want to be. Everybody says that, but let's go ahead and take a look at it a little bit. So what does it mean to work? What does it mean to focus? What does it mean to be yourself? So when we focus and we look at focus and knowledge, we find that they're the highest level of elevation, and they give us the ability to move in a direction, to organize ourselves in a place where we're above organization and we're already organized and we're timely. So it gives us the ability to have much more capability in our days and in our weeks and in our months. So there's my motivation. So become focused on knowledge and become focused and knowledge to do things at that greater level. My meditation. Okay, so my meditation was very good. There was somebody at the sauna. They actually asked me today to explain a little bit about how meditation works. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about this thing. So it's called the Book of Life. So let me go ahead and talk a little bit about this today. So meditation is a place where energy and mass are interchangeable forces. M equals mc square, or also known as M, the mass theory of relativity. So what we do in this place and in this time is we turn our bodies into both mass and energy. What is this? It is the ability to read the knowledge that's inside of us, and to turn it into something great. So what are we? We are both mass and energy. The theory of relativity itself states that it's interchangeable forces. So let's go ahead and take a little bit closer look at this. So you have a breath, you have a mass, but you also have energy inside your body, right? So if we took a look at it as a form of a book, those energy fields would then be called chapters, right? Well, chapters in energy are called chakras. So each chakra has a different color, it's a different energy field, and it has the ability and reaction to different parts of you, such as the sciatic nerve system, sexual organ system, the brain, which is the stomach, the heart, the throat, the foresight, also is your depth perception, and your nervous system. So here's chapter 1 through 7. There's also an 8th chapter, but it's not inside your book. It's outside of your book. This is known as the golden chapter, which is infused into your book. It's where it comes from. This is the place that you come from. This is the thing that you're connecting with on the exterior. This is your external universe versus your internal universe. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about how these can actually work. So if you organize your book into chapters, you can read the pages, and your breath becomes the thing that changes the pages. So what are we? So we are in between decisions. We are ourselves. We have knowledge inside of ourselves. On one side we have bad, and on one side we have good. Right in between that, there's no good or bad. There's just you. In this place, that knowledge is pure gold. The problem is these focuses are on the outside of the pure knowledge. So when we meditate, we take ourselves back and we remove, like gold, the impurities that you might have in your knowledge. Using focus to exchange the pages, it can be looked at as a form of heat that is produced to help you to what? Remove impurities. So meditation, that's my meditation lesson for today, inspiration. So I want to inspire you all to look at yourselves, to look inside, to start to become best friends with yourself, to find yourself in a place where you can be happy inside, and the external will come to you, and to put ourselves as a place that our insides are reflection. Insides are the reflection on the outside. It's been so backwards for so long. Everybody's wanted to have the outside be the reflection. If we put ourselves first, we put ourselves in that place of knowledge, and we acknowledge the fact that we're all in here together. We're all here to do this together. And I just want to share a little bit of that with you guys. That way you might get a little of it. And I just want to say namaste.